In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Trello in Microsoft Teams so you can manage your boards directly inside your Teams channels. If you use Trello for project management and Microsoft Teams for communication, connecting the two can seriously streamline your workflow and keep everyone aligned in one place. I'll walk you through the entire setup step by step, from Trello to the Microsoft Store and back into Teams. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Then navigate to your Boards page. This is where you'll see all the boards associated with your account. From here, click on the specific board that you want to connect to Microsoft Teams. Make sure you choose the correct board, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you're inside the board, look for the Power-Ups option. You'll usually find this in the board menu. Click on Power-Ups to open the Integrations Marketplace for that board. Power-Ups are Trello's way of extending functionality, and this is how we'll connect it to Teams. Next, click on Add Power-Ups. This will open a searchable list of available integrations. In the search field, type Microsoft Teams. As you type, you should see the Microsoft Teams Power-Up appear in the results. When it shows up, click on Microsoft Teams to open its details. Now click on Configure. At this point, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft Marketplace page for Trello for Teams. This is where the official integration is handled on the Microsoft side. On the Marketplace page, click on Get It Now for Trello for Teams. You may be asked to enter your Microsoft account details and sign in. Go ahead and sign in with the account you use for Microsoft Teams. If prompted, click Sign In and continue through any verification steps required by your organization. After signing in, Trello will ask for permission to connect with your Microsoft account. Click Allow or Authorize when prompted. This step is important because it enables the two platforms to communicate securely. You'll then be asked to choose the Trello workspace and the specific board you want to connect. Select the correct workspace from the drop-down list, then choose the board. Double-check that it's the right one, especially if you manage multiple teams or clients. Once selected, click Save or Add to confirm the connection. After you've completed this step, you can close the browser tab and go back to Microsoft Teams. Open the team and channel where you want the Trello board to appear. If everything was set up correctly, the Trello board will now appear inside your Teams channel as a tab. Your team members can view and interact with the board directly from Teams, without needing to constantly switch between apps. And that's it. You've successfully added Trello to Microsoft Teams. Now your tasks, cards, and project updates are integrated right into your team communication hub, making collaboration much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials on Trello, Microsoft Teams, and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.